And welcome back to Design Pilot. My name is Austin, and in today's tutorial I'll show you guys on how you can model any age like this, like whether it's an iPhone or anything that have this kind of age. You can model it in Cinema 4D or in quads, and everything is gonna look so perfect for you. So before we jump to the tutorial, I'm just going to show you guys actually what I did is not very difficult. Let's just pause this video. Actually, what I did here is just I just modeled one side and then I mirrored it and get all the parts. And mostly I used the spline, which is the rectangular spline, and I used the extrude. So just very easy, get your shape, and this is it. So now let's get into the tutorial. So welcome. So let's start. So we're gonna model this phone case in quads. The first you have to do, click on here, click on a rectangle. I'll just have to fit in this guy. Okay. Fit in like this, increase this guy, click on this guy, reduce the radius so we can get some. So our main aim now is we're going to work with this part. So this is our main aim, working with this part of main aim. So what we're going to do now is I think we can actually work with this whole part. Yeah, we can work with this whole part. This might work. So now we just bring a subdivision and bring an extrude, add this an extrude and add it inside a subdivision. So you can see this is looking crazy. Let's click this guy. Let's add this guy subdivision A. Now if you push this guy forward, I think this is looking good. We can increase the subdivision. Okay, this is good. So we'll push this guy more. Increase the thickness, and okay, this is good. Click on the rectangle and click on uniform, set it to 12. So you can see this stuff is messed up. It's crazy. So it's not good. So we can go here, save, edit this extrude, then connect and delete everything here. Delete these guys. Now let's do something. Let's check whether click on the face. Our top can pull off. So what we do now is to go to point mode, Ctrl A and UO. The same thing as clicking optimize. So same thing as that. So of our subdivision, it's all looking so dark. So go to point mode. Let's just cut here now. KK, which is the line cut to. Click on this guy to this guy. Make sure this place is on tick so you can cut at both sides. You can see it's cut at both sides. But what I like doing is I like working on a flat surface so that I can maybe extrude later, something like that. So what we're gonna do now is to go here and let's delete this part down. Ctrl A UO to optimize. Now we can also delete this part also. Ctrl A UO to optimize. Okay, we can work on only these parts. So let's work on only this part now. So then we can mirror it. So this guy, no, KK, which is line cut to cut here, and let's delete this guy. So we have already this part, which is looking good. What's going on here? Okay, so we can just go to stitch and sew and stitch that up. KK line cut to cut this guy like this. Oh, I think something was going on here. So I think we should sew from up down. You know, it's not giving what I want. It's not just giving what I want. So we made a mistake when we are cutting the lines. I think so. Okay. Maybe it's a mistake. Sorry. I was rushing. That's why. You can just delete this guy like this, like to work. It will just create a line for us. Yeah, this is looking good, I guess so. Oh, it's not great. Right, KK, click here, optimize, delete this guy. Okay, Control A, UO. Now go to this back here, delete this guy. Yeah. So we can work on a flat surface. Now go to knife tool, KK, go here. Let's make it bolder so you can see. Click and hold shift. So there's something going on. Yeah, let's see. Click and hold shift. Okay, stitch and sew. Got this right. KK, click and hold shift. Click and hold shift. Click and hold shift. Okay, this is looking good. Click and hold shift. Escape. Click and hold shift. Repeat same process. So it's good to work on a flat surface, then you extrude. Working on a extrude surface is going to be very stressful. It will be very, very stressful. So it's good you work on a flat surface. Okay, still gonna do one more. Okay, one more, yeah. Still gonna do one more. Yeah. So now we can do the opposite direction now. So you can see we are making it to be all quartz. You can see how this looks very good. So you can see now we have quartz here. Quartz, quartz, quartz. So we can save this guy, click on that and show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have formed the first part. So what we're gonna do now is you can add extrude if you want. If you don't want, you don't leave there at all. Ctrl S. You can now go to mirror. I guess so. Mirror. Yeah, symmetry. Add this guy in a symmetry. But first of all, let's add it in a symmetry. Then before add it in a subdivision. Subdivision. Yeah, so you can see it's looking good. Now what we do now is edit the symmetry, connect delete, and now Also add, okay, before you add symmetry, let's fix this middle. It's not good. I don't like it. There's so much lines here which I don't like. Oh, there's something going on here. I think there's something going on here, so okay, we can hit something at the middle. Okay, we can dissolve this guy. Oh, there's something wrong here, something going on here. Okay, the symmetry was so much, so we can undo it so we can fix the symmetry very well. So click on symmetry. Our symmetry is kind of wrong, so our object, so click on model mode and try to center this guy, like move his axis. On snap, yeah, snap this point, so I can now move it 0. See, we're done. So we can now delete the symmetry, so it looks good now. Connect, delete. Now add the symmetry again, then mirror it downwards. But first of all, let's check. Yeah, it looks perfect. Can add the symmetry again, put it inside there, and change the plane. So I think it's actually work Z. Okay, so can fix this guy again on the snapping mode. Snap it here and tick. Now we'll try it again in symmetry. I don't know what's going on. The symmetry should be working. Okay. Disable symmetry. Move this guy down. Axis. Yeah. We can fix this guy later in the time. Or undo, push it up. Of this guy, just push this guy up. With the points, highlight all these points and just bring it to be 0. It doesn't work. Let's see down. Okay, yeah, 0. Oh, 0 is supposed to be here. I don't know. So can click on our snap and snap it down here. Now on symmetry, it looks perfect now. So you see everything now is in quads. So we can now you can edit the symmetry or can work with this. So whatever your choice. So let's add thickness to this guy. So we use the extrude. Well, actually we are done. Let's just convert it to the object. So okay, let's add thickness. Click on extrude. We make sure we click on create caps. Let me show you, like if you didn't click on create cap, this is what you get. You haven't opened this thing. So make sure it's on create caps. Let's extrude. So we see we are going in the wrong direction. So how to fix this? Just right click, reverse normals. Then Gonna extrude down to, yeah. Okay, it's too much. You can just bring it down, just like this. You see, we are done. We're done. So on, yeah, we have a. Let's delete this black. Okay. Oh, it's looking good. So we can go back to model, go back to isofans. Yeah. So the edge is not looking that good. We can fix it. It's not hard. Okay. You can just double click these guys. You know. I can go to UL, click on boundary, stop at boundary edges, and also do this one. Oh, this is so hard. I'm gonna take it back. Now we can bevel. Say this guy, add one subdivision bevel, and then reduce the size. If we add two, let's see what happens. So it's gonna make it so. You can play with this to get what you want. It's a choice. And one subdivision, and you can see how smooth our model is. Okay, that's true. We need to make it look like iPhone X. That's where I have time. I still have time. Sorry, go back. Click on bevel. Let's use this guy now. So I want it to look this curve. Can just increase this guy, increase until that, yeah. Or let's add more quotes. You can increase this guy more. Okay, so this is looking good. So once you add subdivision, you can see you can increase the quality. Now you can see that we have the iPhone X, well modded and all in quad. This is good. So you can see everything here is looking good. So that is how you model your iPhone X or any phone body, or like anything that have this kind of edges. You can model it with this way. So thanks for watching. So subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram so that I can